This is the situation also at Oxford Street. I am coming from the direction of Tottenham Court Road and walking towards Oxford Circus. So that's the shopping situation. Big discounts everywhere. No shoppers. As you can see, all the shops are almost empty. All the shops are almost empty. And it's quite unfortunate. That's a big sale over there, and look inside, completely empty. Big sale everywhere. Usually on the 26th, this place is choked with people coming from all over the world to shop, taking advantage of the discounts. But today, the story is completely different. The streets are quiet and empty. This is not typical of a Boxing Day in the UK. So what I'm doing is walking from Tottenham Court Road Station to Oxford Circus, trying to give you a clear view of the Boxing Day sales. This is seriously unusual. Look at the carrots, empty.
Are you at home? Happy Christmas. Good evening, yeah? You're right, yeah? All things. Looks like you're streaming.
That's Wardour Street. That's Sports Direct, and it's completely empty as well. With all these promotions around, one is expecting a lot of shoppers trooping from left, right, and center. But the situation is completely the opposite. Wow, that's the iconic London bus, red bus. And that's our iconic London black cab, the taxi.